Ready for a quick tour of color and wonder? Number 1. Scarlet macaw, rainbow feathers, Central and South America. Number 2. Indian peafowl, iridescent tail fan, South Asia. Number 3. Resplendent quetzal, jewel green plumage, cloud forests of Central America. Number 4. Mandarin duck, ornate colors, East Asian waters. Number 5. Flamingo, pink flocks, salt flats, and lagoons. Number 6. Wilson's bird of paradise, electric courtship colors, New Guinea. Number 7. Keel-billed toucan, rainbow bill, tropical canopies. Number 8. Golden pheasant, fiery crest, Chinese forests. Number 9. Blue jay, bold blue crest, North American woodlands. Number 10. Snowy owl, ghostly white, Arctic tundra. Beauty is everywhere. Protect our wildlife.